Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing a lesson on editing. So if you're doing a Google Slides presentation for your class, keep watching. The first step is to have a good amount of slides. I'm going to do 4 for this one because, well, this one's just going to be a presentation. What do they call it? Yeah, example. Now, you're going to start with a title. You should always have a title. And that is very important to have a title. Because if you don't really have much to do. So, if you don't have a title, the class isn't going to know what you're doing. Like, what's this assignment on again? What are they doing? I don't know. What's this person doing? Maybe they're making a TV series? Is this a TV script? I don't know. What is this? We don't know. So yeah, still very, very important to put a title and also your name. So definitely put your name in. Definitely do that, because if you get to put your name in, you could lose credit for your assignment. So, now that you got everything on here, it is also a good idea to find some images. Now, if you click on images, you have a few options. You could upload from your computer or search the web. And I'm going to do search the web here. And then you would type in some pictures you would do. Like, try and make them a little bit creative. Such as, like, let's do stars. I think that's a good one. Stars is a very good one. So, let's find a good picture. And I think this one's a very good one. We are going to insert our picture, and the picture sometimes will come up very large. It is very important to shrink it down. Shrink it down to a good size, and basically you could do whatever you want with the picture after that. It's kind of up to you. So if you want to just do something different, that's, well, your decision. And another feature you could also do is you could look for stuff like hand-drawn stuff. You know, like hand-drawn stars, hand-drawn cars, and I think that, wait, no. You can also look for houses, trees, birds, all sorts of things. So you could really kind of just search up whatever you want. Now, if I were doing this and this was about space, I'd look for a very good star. Very good star. One that would definitely fit in. We're not looking for Cartoon Network. I don't know why that's there, but go check out Cartoon Network, and someone drew Patrick. A lot of stuff in here. Don't know why Teen Titans is there. You're looking for stars, not TV shows. Stars. You'll just find one from here. For now, the best one would probably be all the way at the bottom. Unless there's no bottom of this now. Well, we're gonna see if we could find a regular star. There we go. We have some other pretty regular stars. Let's see if there's a better one than what we saw besides the Patrick star over there. We don't want that Patrick star. Let's do something like this, like a nice blue star. And this one, luckily, is one where it could pass through, which also makes it very good for editing. So, take the picture, and this little thing on the top lets you sort of turn it and move it around. So it's pretty helpful. Another helpful tip is to click on the picture and hold Control-C, then press Control-V a bunch of times, and that gives you multiple of that same picture. And then you could place them everywhere, move them all around, do basically just about whatever you want. It's really up to you and what your project is on. Now, don't get carried away because it's an actual class assignment. You still have to meet deadlines in those. That is still a 100% requirement. You should definitely still do that. I'm going to fast forward through this a little bit, and I'll see you in about half of a second, maybe. And I'm back here, and also you could stretch out the stars, make them a bit of your own little design, sort of do just about whatever you want with it. It is still completely 100% up to you, since it's your thing. And here we go. Like I said, this is just an example, and you could also do all sorts of things. You could do just about whatever you want, so you could do, well, anything. It is really up to you. And again, you could just easily go over to the image and find an image. In this one, let's do a drawn, a drawn sun. Oh dear, that's creepy. What is that? Some Teenage Mutant Ninja sun. No need to thank me for the genius idea. I can imagine that popping up on TV now. Ah, darn, probably ruined people's childhood. Whoops. Not finding too much luck with that. Let's just make this one a sportsy slide. It does depend on what your assignment is, so you still have to do the simple regulations for, well, doing a slide. If you don't, you could still get in trouble. And also, you also can edit your background. The background, you'd click on background, and you could do a color. For this one, let's do green. And done. Very bright, vibrant green. Take some of the text box and get rid of those. Gonna make a new one. To make a new text box, you click on the text box, and then you would make your text box. Now I'm going to make the border color a white, and let's see if there's any, or wait. Let's get this all over here, and the border weight thickens it, so there you go, you have your new text box here for you to type, and you could also put your letters into bold, and then you'd make them white, because this is a green and black background, so you'd still need to do the simple stuff, simple basic life stuff. This slide, well, basically, if you're doing like the very last part of your assignment, this would be, you wouldn't really much edit this one. You would make this like a recap of all the other slides that you did, and then the fourth and final one would be all of, well, where you got your information. and you'd put all of that right here. But those are the two examples that I will be doing today. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in another video. Have a good rest of your day. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends. If you have friends, not saying that you don't, and I hope that you do have friends, because, well, you should have friends. Have someone to talk to. You should really have friends if you don't have friends. Don't be lonely like that one dragon. My icon for this computer is just one dragon. One very lonesome dragon. It's always that. Poor dragon. I should probably get it a friend. Anyways, thank you for watching my video, and have a good rest of your day. Bye.